The reason to sell your house yourself is to save money. It's to avoid paying those expensive real estate commissions. I mean, even if you have a house that's just $50,000, you're still going to save $3,000 at the average commission rate. But the average price of homes in the U.S. in November of 2020 is $320,000. So that's between $18,000 and $20,000 in commission that you pay, or you save if you sell your house yourself. In this video, we're going to have some fun. I figured out 4 things that you could do with that money if you sold your house yourself instead of turning it over to a real estate agent. Hi, my name is Joel Y. I've been a real estate agent in the state of Kansas since 2009. And that's where I gained the knowledge and the expertise and the experience that I use to teach you how to sell your house yourself. And subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, because every week I put up new videos that will help you to sell your house yourself, teach you how to sell it faster, and teach you how to sell it for more money. And like this video today. So the first thing I came up with, if you're going to sell your house yourself and keep the money that you would normally turn over to a real estate agent, is to use it for the down payment on your next house. Yeah, simple enough. If you're moving up, or if you're moving down, or maybe you're moving sideways to a new town, a new state, or maybe a new country, if you put that money and add it to the down payment that you already have for your next house, that will lower your mortgage payments quite a bit, plus it builds equity in that new house. Like me, myself, I plan on retiring in a few years, and we're moving to Europe because a lot of our family lives in Europe. So when I sell my house, I'm going to sell it myself. I'll list it directly on Zillow to avoid paying another real estate agent. And that way, I'll take the money that I save and I'll use that money towards buying the house that I buy in Spain. That's where I'm planning on going. The second thing I came up with, and this one is really close to my heart, is to use that money to take a really cool trip or a dream vacation. Everyone loves to travel, or everyone's dreamed about traveling. Everyone has some place that they've thought about they wanted to go, but for whatever reason they're not. Could be money, could be whatever. But sell your house yourself, and if you have an average price house, you're going to have $19,000 to spend on a trip. I mean, you could go skiing in Switzerland. You could go lay on the beach in Hawaii. Maybe go learn to surf in Bali, Indonesia. Or just go hang out in the south of Spain. I mean, traveling is in my soul, and I get to travel a lot because I sell real estate, and the money that I make by selling real estate, I use. If you sell your house yourself and keep that money, then you can use it for the exact same purpose. Now, the third thing I came up with, and this one's kind of, but is to buy a car for you or someone you love. I mean, you can buy a good quality car for $19,000 these days. And if that's not your bag, if you want something fancier, then add that $19,000 to the down payment on your next car. I mean, you can buy a Tesla. You can pay for half a Tesla with $19,000. And if that's not your bag, then you can buy a Harley. But you better get permission from your loved ones before you go out and do that. But yeah, put down in the comments here what kind of car you would buy, or where you would travel to with the money that you'll save by selling your house yourself. Let us all know. Let's have a little fun. And the last thing that I came up with, by selling your house yourself, you could pay for a year or 2 of college, literally, maybe even 3, depending on how you structure it and where you go. The average price for in-state tuition in a college is $10,500. For a community college, it's $4,800. And then for an out-of-state college, it's $15,900, almost $16,000. And an out-of-state community college is $8,500. So if you go to college in the state that you live in, and you spend the first 2 years going to community college, and then you move up to a 4-year college to go towards your bachelor's, you can literally pay for 3 years worth of college with the money that you would save by selling your house yourself. That is, if your house is the average price of $320,000. But whatever it is, you can use that money to go towards a college education for your children. You know, I run into people in this business that are well into their 30s, sometimes even into their 40s, that are still paying off student debt, and that's just a shame. So there you go. Sell your house yourself, and you can get a good jump on your college expenses. And yeah, that's just 4 things that you can do. And the possibilities are endless. Just think of all the different things you could do with $19,000 if you sold your house yourself. And now, some of those things can be life-changing, and some of them can just be a lot of fun. You know, I would consider traveling life-changing. I would consider college life-changing. Buying a new car, maybe that's just a lot of fun. And again, put down in the comments what you would do with the money that you'll save by selling your house yourself. And if nothing else, you can just take that money and invest it and just watch it grow into more money. The point of all this is why not just keep that money and use it for whatever. Spend it, save it, but it's your money. Sell your house yourself and keep it. Subscribe to this channel and I'll show you how you can do that. I'll show you how to sell your house fast and how to sell it for more money and how to sell it quickly. If you hit the notification button, they'll send you updates every time I post a new video. And I have lots of other resources down here below. You can go to my website, and a lot of them are free, and it will really just kind of give you what you need to know, all the information to sell your house yourself and keep your money and put it to better use. And finally, comment below and let us know what you would do with the money that you're gonna save when you sell your house yourself. And as always, thanks for watching, and check back often for our For Sale by Owner shorts and our regular videos that will give you tips and strategies that will help you to make more money.